Welcome to American Railroad Volume number 42. It's the state of Indiana first, with views of the NS Chicago line from within and east of Waterloo. Canadian National in action with a short stopover south of Toledo. The rail centre at Bellevue is covered, including some heritage livery traction. Diamonds at Greenwich is visited as we sample some CSX action. A surprise encounter with some heritage wheeling and Lake Erie traction. Back into the Norfolk Southern territory with scenes from the Amtrak depot in Alliance. Join us as we head to Indiana and Ohio for some top link railroad action. In this programme, we primarily focus our camera lens on the railways in the Buckeye State of Ohio, as well as a brief beginning in the far east of the neighbouring state of Indiana. We cover a number of locations which are seen here on this map, working from left to right.